Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Prince Chakras, the channel where we explore the incredible power within us. In today's video, we will be diving into the science behind visualization and how it can unlock your true potential. First off, let's talk about the science. Visualization isn't just a new age concept, it's deeply rooted in neuroscience. When you visualize, your brain interprets the imagery as a real experience, activating the same neural pathways as if you were actually performing the action. So let's enter the reticular activating system, or RAS. This is your brain's filter, determining what information is important. Visualization helps program the RAS to focus on what matters, making you more aware of opportunities that align with your goals. But visualization isn't just about achieving goals, it positively impacts your mood. When you vividly imagine positive outcomes, your brain releases neurotransmitters like dopamine, creating a sense of pleasure and motivation. Moreover, visualization acts as a powerful stress management tool. By mentally rehearsing challenging situations, you prepare your mind and body to respond calmly and effectively. So let's get practical. Start by setting clear goals. Visualization is most effective when you have a specific outcome in mind. Whether it's career success, improved relationships, or personal growth, be crystal clear about what you want. I suggest using a vision board. It's a fantastic tool to start with. Compile images and words that represent your goals, and place it somewhere visible, allowing your mind to constantly absorb and internalize your aspirations. But visualization isn't just about creating images. It's about engaging all your senses. Find a quiet space, take a deep breath, and let your mind wander into a scene where your goals are accomplished. Feel the emotions, hear the sounds, and smell the scents associated with success. See the details and make it as vivid as possible. By involving all your senses, you're reinforcing the belief that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Another helpful technique is mental rehearsal. Before a challenge or important event, take a few moments to mentally rehearse the situation. Visualize yourself going through it with ease and confidence. This primes your mind for success and reduces anxiety, allowing you to perform at your best. Remember, visualization is not a magic pill. It's a tool you need to use consistently. Practice it daily, preferably in the morning or before you sleep, to strengthen the neural connections in your brain. The more you visualize, the more real and achievable your goals become. So start unlocking your potential today by incorporating visualization into your daily routine. Create a vision board, engage your senses, and rehearse success in your mind. Believe in your abilities and watch as your dreams become a reality. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the science of visualization. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality. Practice these techniques consistently and watch as your potential unfolds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more empowering content. Until next time, stay connected with your inner self. This is Prince Chakras signing off. Namaste.